Hello friends, this is Ranjini and we are saying fractions and decimals chapter of standard 7, and in the last video we solved exercise 2.2 completely, and in this video we are going to start exercise 2.3. Okay, so let's go into the video. So in exercise 2.3, the first question is find, out of that two parts are there. In the first part, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. Okay, so let's solve first one. First one A, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, which is equal to, so this of can be replaced with multiplication sign, right? So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. How to multiply two fractions? Multiply the numerators. 1 into 1 is 1, that is, I will show like this, 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 4, okay, which is equivalent to 1 by 4 4s are 16, okay, 1 by 16 is the answer. Okay, now take the B part of this, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Okay, so similarly this of can be replaced by multiplication sign. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 5, which is equivalent to 1 into 3 numerators divided by 4 into 5 denominators is equivalent to 3 by 20. Okay, now let's take the C part. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Okay, is equivalent to 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Okay, is equivalent to 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 is equal to 4 by 12. So this 4 by 12 can be further simplified, right? So 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by, that is, let me give you step by step, 4 by 4 into 3, right? So this 4 and this 4 get cancelled and the answer is 1 by 3. Okay, clear? Okay, now let's go into the second part of the first question. Okay? Okay, so first question, second part is 1 by 7 of A 2 by 9, B 6 by 5 and C is 3 by 10. Okay, so let's take 1 by 1. Second part A, okay, which is 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. Okay, so just like the previous part, this can be written as 1 by 7 into 2 by 9, which is equivalent to 1 into 2 divided by 7 into 9. Okay, which can be written as 1 into 2 is 2, 7 9s are 63. 2 by 63 is the answer. Okay, now let's take the B part. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 is equal to 1 by 7 into 6 by 5 is equal to 1 into 6 numerators divided by 7 into 5 denominators is equal to 1 into 6 is 6, 7 5s are 35. Okay, clear? Now let's take the C part. 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Okay, is equivalent to 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. Okay, which is equivalent to 1 into 3 divided by 7 into 10 equal to 3 by 7 into 10 is 70. Clear? Okay. Now let's go into the second question. Let's take the second question. Okay. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form. First one is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay. So first what we have to do, this mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. So 2 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 is equal to, how can we write it? 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Correct? Quotient into divisor plus remainder divided by divisor. Okay? So 2 is the quotient, 2 into 3 plus 2, 2 is the remainder divided by this 3. Okay? It is 3. Okay? So what is this answer? 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. Okay? Now let's come back to the question. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into what is 2? What did we get? 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3. Okay? Now multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 into 8 divided by 3 into 3. That is equivalent to 16. 2 8s are 16 divided by 3 3s are 9. Okay, 16 by 9. So we can also convert this into mixed fraction now. This is also correct answer. This can be converted to mixed fraction also. How can you convert? Now this cannot be further reduced, right? Is there any common factor between these two? No. So let it be like this, and then we will convert it into mixed fraction. 16 by 9. 1 9 is 9. 7, which is equivalent to 16 by 9 can be written as 1 7 by 9. Okay, so the answer for first one is 1 7 by 9. Clear? Now let's go on to the next problem. Next question, second question is 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Okay, this they have directly given in terms of 2. There is no mixed fraction in this, right? So we can directly do it. Okay, so one method is that you can multiply the numerators and you can multiply the denominators, and then you can reduce to the lowest form. Or there is an easier method. See, there is a 7 in the denominator here and there is a 7 in the numerator here, right? So these two 7s can be cancelled, right? So there is if there is a same number in both numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. See, this can be written as 2 into 7 divided by 7 into 9, right? But numerators, two numerators have to be multiplied divided by two denominators have to be multiplied, right? So there is a 7 here and there is a 7 here. Okay, so cancel the two 7s. Answer is 2 by 9. Clear? The answer is 2 by 9. Okay, now let's take the third question. Okay, now if we get the answer as an improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction, right? But this is a proper fraction, so we'll just leave it as it is. Okay, now let's take the third question. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Okay, is equal to 3 into 6 divided by 8 into 4. Okay, so how can we write this 3 into 6? 3 into, this can be written as 3 into 3 into 2, right? Because denominator also we can write it in terms of multiples of 2, right? 8 and 4. So let's write numerator also in terms of multiples of 2, so that you can cancel numerator and denominator. Okay, so 3 into 2, right? 6 is 3 into 2, right? And the denominator is 4 into 2 into 4, because there is only 1 2 here. So let this 4 be like this. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled now. Correct? Now this can be written as 3 into 3 is 9. 9 divided by 16. Okay, 9 by 16. Okay, so the answer for the third one is 9 divided by 9 by 16. Okay, there is no common multiple, so let it be common factor, so let it be like this. Okay, now let's take the fourth question. fourth question is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Okay. So this can be written as 9 into 3 divided by 5 into 5. Okay. Here we cannot cancel anything, right? Because this 5 and this 5, they don't have any common factor, right? So we cannot cancel anything. So let's multiply and write it as it is. So 9 into 3 is 27 divided by 25. Okay. Now this is an improper fraction, so it has to be converted to a mixed fraction. Okay. So let's convert it into a mixed fraction. 27, 25, 125 is 25, 2. Okay. So the answer is quotient, that is 1, remainder 2 by divisor 25. 1, 2 by 25 is the answer. Okay. 1, 2 by 25 is the answer here. So clear? Now let's go into the fifth problem. Fifth problem is 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Okay. Now how can we simplify this? There is a 3 here, there is a 15 here. So is there any common factor between 3 and 15? Yes, 3 is a common factor, right? 5 into 3 is 15 here. So we can write 15 in terms of 3, so that we can cancel numerator and denominator. Okay. So this I am telling for the simplification purpose. Okay. Even if you write 15 divided by 8 into 3, it's the same. But after that we have to simplify. So instead of that, if we directly cancel the common factors and simplify it, it will be easier for you. Okay. So this can be written as 1 into 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 divided by 3 into 8. Okay. Now this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Okay. So what is the answer? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is the answer. Okay. This is a proper fraction. So let it be like this. 5 by 8. Okay. 5 by 8. Clear? Now let's go into sixth problem. (11 by 2 into 3 by 10). Okay. So here also there is no common factor, right? In the denominator it is 2 and 10. And the numerator 11 and 3. So is there any common factor? No, we don't have any common factor. So we can directly multiply and write. Okay. So this can be written as 11 into 3 divided by 2 into 10. Which is equivalent to 11 3s are 33 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Okay. So this is an improper fraction. So it can be converted to a mixed fraction. So 33 by 20. 120 is 20. 13. Correct? So 33 by 20 can be written as 113 by 20. Okay? Quotient into remainder by divisor. 113 by 20. So this answer for the sixth problem is 113 by 20. Clear? Now let's go into the seventh question. Seventh question is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Okay. Now here also we have to directly multiply since there is no common factor. Okay. So 12 into 4, what is 12 into 4? 48. So 48 divided by 35. Okay. Now this can be written in the form of mixed fraction, right? So 48 divided by 35. 135 is 35. So difference is 13. Okay. So the answer is 113 by 35. Okay. Quotient into remainder by divisor. 113 by 35. Okay. So hope you are clear with this. Now we will go on to the next problem. Okay. So second problem is finished. Now we will go on to the third problem. Okay. Now the next problem is again multiply the following. Okay. Out of that first one is 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Okay. So this mixed fraction has to be converted to improper fraction before doing any operation. Okay. So 5 by 4 can be written as 5 1 by 4 can be written as 5 into 4, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder. 5 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay. Which is equivalent to 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Okay. 5 1 by 4 can be written as 21 by 4. So what is the question here? 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4 can be written as 2 by 5 into 21 by 4. Okay. So we can directly multiply the 2 into 21 divided by 5 into 4. Okay. Now here if we want to cancel something in numerator and denominator, see here there is a 4 and here there is a 2. Okay. So this 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? So equivalent to 2 into 21 divided by 5 into 2 into 2. Correct? So this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. If a number is there in both numerator and denominator, it can be cancelled. Okay? Because 2 by 2 is 1, right? So it can be cancelled. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. And the answer is 21 by 5 into 2, which is equivalent to 21 by 10. Okay. Now this 21 by 10 is an improper fraction which we have to convert it to mixed fraction. Okay. So 21 by 10 if we do, 2 into 10 is 21. So the answer is quotient is 2, remainder is 1, divided by divisor is 10. So 2 1 by 10 is the answer. So here the answer is 2 1 by 10. Okay. Now let's go into the next problem. Second problem is 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Okay. So the 6 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction which can be written as 6 2 by 5 is equal to 6 into 5 plus 2 divided by divisor is 5. Okay. So this can be written as 6 into 5 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 by 5. Okay. So now what is the question? 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9 can be written as 6 2 by 5. What did we get? 32 by 5. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Correct? Now this can be written as 32 into 7 divided by 5 into 9. Okay. Now we have to directly multiply because there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator, right? So we can directly multiply. So what is 32 into 7? 7 2s are 14, 21, 22, 224. So 224 divided by 9 into 5 is 45. Okay. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction since this is improper fraction. So how can we convert? 224 divided by 45. Okay. So now let's take 44 into, if we take 44 into 4, 20, 2, 16, 17, 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. if we put 4 here, 4 into 45 is 180. Okay. So what is the remaining thing? 44. Okay. Now, so the answer can be written as quotient is 4, remainder is 44, divisor is 45. Okay. So 44 by 45 is the answer. Okay. 44 by 45 is the answer. Okay. Now let's go on to the next problem, third problem. Third problem is 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Okay. So this 5 1 by 3 can be written as 5 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3, which is equivalent to 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 3. Okay. So what is this question? 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3, which can be written as 3 by 2 into 16 by 3. Okay. Now this can be written as 3 into 16 divided by 2 into 3. Is there anything we can cancel between the numerator and denominator? Yes, we have a 3 here and a 3 here, both of which can be cancelled. Okay. So did you understand how we are cancelling this? If the same number is there in the numerator and denominator? Okay, I'll tell you. Let's take this 3 out. Okay. So how it will become 16 by 2 into 3 by 3. Right. So this can be written as, since this is the multiplication, we can write this 3 anywhere. Right. So 16 by 2 into 3 by 3. Okay. What is 3 by 3? 1. So will it have any effect in the answer? No. Whatever we multiply with 1, it will be the same answer, right? There will be no effect. So it can be cancelled. Both numerator and denominator can be cancelled. Even if we cancel this 3 and 3, there is not going to be any change. That's why we are cancelling if there is the same number in the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now let's continue with the problem. 3 into 16 divided by 2 into 3. Now this 2 can also be cancelled, right? Because there is a 16 right here. Okay. So how can we write this 16 so that this 2 gets cancelled? 3 into 8 into 2. 16 can be written as 8 into 2, right? So 3 into 8 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Correct? So this 2 can be cancelled here. This 3 can be cancelled here. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is 8 or 8 by 1. It can be written as 8 by 1 also, or 8. Okay. 8. Now let's go into the fourth question. Fourth question is 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7. Okay. Now this can be written as 2, 3 by 7 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 divided by 7. Right. So this can be written as 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 by 7. Okay. Now if we come to our problem, 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7 is equivalent to 5 by 6 into 17 by 7. Correct? Now this can be further simplified. Since there is no common factor between numerator and denominator, this can be further simplified. Okay, we can directly multiply. 5 into 17 divided by 6 into 7. What is 5 into 17? 35, 3, 85, right? So 85 divided by 42. 7 6 are 42. Okay, so 85 divided by 42. Okay, now we have to convert this into mixed fraction since this is an improper fraction. So 85 divided by 42. 2 into 42 gives 84. Balance is 1. So this can be written as 2 1 by 42. Okay, the answer is 2 1 by 42. 1 by 42. Clear? Now let's go into the fifth problem. Three 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Okay. So here 3 2 by 5 can be written as 3 into 5 plus 2 divided by 5. Correct? So this can be written as is equivalent to 3 into 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5. Okay. Now what is the question? 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7, which can be written as 17 by 5. We got 3 2 by 5 is equal to 17 by 5. So if we substitute it here, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. Okay. So there is no common factor between the denominator and the numerator. So if we directly multiply 17 into 4, 68. 68 divided by 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay. So if we convert it into mixed fraction, 68 by 35, 135 is 35, remaining is 33. So what is the answer? 133 by 35 is the answer. Okay. So the answer for the fifth question is 133 by 35. Clear? Now let's go into the sixth question. Sixth question is 2 3 by 5 into 3. Okay. So this 2 3 by 5 can be written as 2 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. Okay. By this time you should be thorough with how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. I am just telling you the method, what will be the answer. You have to know like what is the formula. Okay. Quotient plus remainder into divisor, quotient into divisor plus remainder by divisor. Okay, so you have to be clear with that. So this can be written as 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 by 5. Okay, now what is the question? 2 3 by 5 into 3. Which can be written as 2 with 3 by 5 is 13 by 5. 13 by 5 into 3. Okay. So this can be written as 13 into 3. If we multiply a fraction and a whole number, we have to just multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, right? And the denominator has to be written as it is. So 13 into 3 divided by 5, which is equivalent to 39 by 5. Okay. Now this 39 by 5, if we convert it into mixed fraction, 39, 5, 7 5s are 35, balance is 4. So the answer is 7, 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay. So the answer for the sixth question is 7, 4 by 5. Okay. Now let's go into the last question of this. Seventh question. 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay. So 3 4 by 7 can be written as 3 into 7 plus 4 divided by 7. Okay. So this can be written as 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 divided by 7. Okay. Now what is the question? 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay. This can be written as 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now can we cancel something in the numerator and the denominator? There is a 25 in the numerator and there is a 5 in the denominator. Okay. So we can cancel it, right? So 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3. Okay. 25 is written as 5 into 5 into 3 divided by 7 into 5. Okay. Now this 5 in the denominator and the 5 in the numerator can be cancelled. So the answer is 5 into 3 is 15. 15 by 7. Okay. Now let's convert this into mixed fraction. 15 by 7. 7 2s are 14. Balance 1. So what is the answer? Quotient is 2. Remainder is 1. Divisor is 7. 2 1 by 7 is the answer. Okay. 2 1 by 7 is the answer for the 7th question. Okay. Now hope you are clear with how to do this. Now the remaining exercise problems we will do it in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.